What does sneaky link mean on TikTok? Okay, let me explain. There are certain words and phrases that you are not allowed to say on TikTok. That's because they've deemed these words or phrases inappropriate or against their terms of service or policies. So people naturally develop workarounds or different phrases to get the point across of what they mean. So when someone says sneaky link, or you can find my sneaky link on my Instagram, they're typically talking about either their OnlyFans or their private membership site, primarily adult membership site. Many creators have actually said that they've been banned or suspended by saying OnlyFans or insinuating that you can find their OnlyFans link in their TikTok bios. Hence where the term sneaky link comes from. Want to learn more about TikTok and how to actually grow on their platform? Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.